Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be taking you through few important features from the menu bar. So let us start with the file menu. So from the file menu, you can open a new project or workflow or a process. You have the publish option along with publishing a workflow or updating a workflow. The import and export options are available. Along with that, you can also switch a workspace. Under the edit menu, you have the various edit options. From the view menu, you can carry out a version control. Under actions, you can carry out the various actions relevant to your workflow or process. From the tools menu, you can check for updates, open different kinds of spies and recorders. And from the help menu, you can access the shortcuts. You also have an option to collapse the shortcut options and expand all. You can also search for the shortcut options that are available. In addition to that, from the help bar, you can navigate to the welcome screen and also get details on the version of the Process Studio. That is all from this video. Thank you.